Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean TV, y'all. You feel me? We back at it again with another POV for y'all boys. You feel me? But as y'all boys can see, we're driving the big Hellcat, you feel me? You know, big SRT on the steering wheel, you feel me? As y'all boys can see, it's a beautiful sunny day outside. So this makes it perfect for a sunny day POV. As y'all boys can tell by the thumbnail though, we're driving under the influence in a Hellcat, you feel me? Alright y'all, so now that we put some gas in the car, you feel me? Now I can put some liquor in my body. Woo! They got me feeling alive. Now it's time to drive, you feel me? Alright, now we can drive under the influence. Let's see how good I drive, you feel me? I might be the best drunk driver that y'all niggas know, you feel me? Y'all ain't never seen that boy Sean TV driving a Hellcat with a bottle of liquor in the car, you feel me? This how you supposed to drive. Damn, I done spinning. Yeah, I really need to get my head mount back. Just cutting up on the freeway a little bit, you feel me? Might as well pick up the camera for y'all boys. You know what's going on. Y'all boys can see we got this bit in sport mode, you feel me? That's how we're gonna drive today. So, you feel me? That's what it's gonna be. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? Hit that post notification bell, all that good stuff, you feel me? And we just finna enjoy this ride along, you feel me? They got one of them new BMWs, I guess like a 5 something. I feel like they look kind of weird though. Like the new M5, they look kind of weird. I like the older model better, not gonna lie. That bit look kind of, I don't know. It look like an old nigga car. Now these niggas right here driving too slow. I gotta get back in the other lane. I'm not trying to bully. I'm trying to bully these niggas out of the way. They acting like they scared on everything. But y'all talk to me. Let me know how y'all boy been liking the videos. You feel me? Have y'all been messing with them? You feel me? Let me know what other type of video y'all boy want to see. You feel me? Right now I'm just, you feel me, headed to a location, you feel me? And I'm gonna be on the freeway majority of the time, so why not record that little POV for y'all? Hopefully my hood don't fly off because I'm still missing a boat. It shouldn't though. Hopefully it don't. Y'all hear them pops? I'm gonna go around there. No, my hood look like it's about to come up. I know y'all boys see that, John. That means I need to calm my ass down. Oh God, but we have a big problem around that bitch. Whatever that is on the back of that bitch, I thought he would hit my ass. Oh God, I got scared. I'm weak. Damn, they roll, forgot about that. I gotta get over. Oh God, it feels like a nigga driving on road. Where is this heat coming from? I feel like heat wind coming in the car from somewhere. What the hell? Is that coming out? The goddamn, I don't even know. I'm trying to figure out what I need to talk to y'all niggas about. You feel me? I'm trying to think of the comments and stuff y'all be texting me. I don't know. Probably what I'm gonna start doing, y'all, whenever I record videos and y'all ask me questions, I'm probably just gonna be talking about the questions in the video. I'm also gonna be commenting to y'all on you know, on the YouTube comments, but I'm just gonna start talking about y'all questions publicly. So when y'all watch the video, y'all can goddamn, you feel me? Some stuff I can elaborate more on by talking to y'all. Go ahead and get out them niggas wait for they side swipe my ass. I need to get that hood fixed ASAP. All I gotta do is get a little tapping machine. I haven't been able to go to the store to pick it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that probably tomorrow. I also gotta get an alignment, you feel me? Because I know y'all boys see how my steering wheel is like pointed that way. It's not straight. So I gotta go get me a alignment and stuff, you feel me? So I'm gonna get an alignment. I'm gonna have to re-lubricate my exhaust valves in the back because they squeaking. So I'm gonna have to do that. And then what else I gotta do? I just said something. I don't know what that was in the road, but I had to avoid it. Damn, I just said something. Damn. Y'all niggas know what I said. Like, I don't have to do this at all. I'm just bored. It feels better when you risking your life, you feel me? Oh God. I'm trying to figure out where this heat is coming from. It's probably coming from my sunroof being cracked. Like, that shit hot as hell. I feel like I got the heat on in that bit. Not gonna lie. What lane y'all getting in, twin? Them niggas all in the way. They just almost got over on my dweebs. Look at these slow driving at me. still don't see no police behind me, so that means we're doing good. What are these niggas doing in Mercedes, bro? They gotta be an old person. Yeah, they ass tweaking. That bitch do not know what she doing. That must be an old ass lady. She need to take her ass home. I can tell by the earrings in her mirror that she old. Oh God. Ain't gonna lie, people do get nervous when they be seeing my car behind them. Yeah, she kinda old. She don't know how to drive. Her senses don't work no more. Damn, I'm finna miss my exit. No, I'm not. If them niggas let me over, them niggas ain't gonna let a real nigga over. Damn. I'm trying to figure out if I'm even meeting up at the right gas station. You know, my mind don't be working half of the time. You feel me? What that Escalade is? I thought that was that V motherfucker. I mess with them V's though. I ain't gonna count. Them hoes be clean. I'm not gonna lie.